One important person attended the wedding. Upon all the promises they made to me, how do they expect me to recover all the money I spent? How can people be this wicked? All the money I spent for the hall, the decoration, cake. Should I start talking about the first-class treatment I gave all my guests?
Baby, are you still here? Why don't you undress so that you can have a cold shower and relax your nerves? What is it?
Didn't you notice? Just one important person attended our wedding. How do I recover all the money I spent? What I got from that wedding is not even enough to pay for the cake, let alone other things.
Oh, come on, darling. Is that why you're getting so worked up? Listen, baby. The good news is we're not married. We got married and our wedding is the talk of the town. Yeah!
That is all that matters to you. Our wedding is the talk of the town. Have you thought of how you're going to survive afterwards? Huh? Because what I got from this wedding is not even enough to pay for anything.
Babe, I don't...
I spent all my money for this wedding.
Wait, hold on, honey. When did it become a crime for a man to spend all his enough money on his wife? When?
Norma, I borrowed all the money I used to make your desired kind of wedding happen. Get ready to suffer with me.
Who? Me? Suffer? God forbid. Babe, please tell me you're joking. Tell me this is one of those pranks. How can I suffer? Why should I suffer? Babe, I thought you said you had enough money. What happened to your enough money? You said you have cars in the city. You can build houses in 6 days. You decided to play like an average guy just for security reasons. So what happened to your enough money?
I lied.
What?
I said what I said because that was the only way you would accept my proposal. Obviously, you wouldn't have accepted an average guy like me in the first place.
Wait, just tell me you're joking. Tell me this is a prank.
Listen. First thing tomorrow morning, we are leaving this hotel. I need to go and return that car before it's too late.
Babe! Babe! Babe.
Wake up. Let's go.
Babe.
What is babe? I said wake up, let's go now. Listen, if you spend another minute here, you will have to renew this room. You pay for this room. Kulie, let's go.
I'm not going anywhere, oh babe. I told my friends we'll be going to Accra, Ghana for our honeymoon. I will be spending 2 weeks there. What do you expect me to tell them now?
You are not even sure of what you're going to eat and drink. You're talking about going to Ghana. Which Ghana?
See, tell your friends we got to Ghana and then the weather became too harsh on your skin. You had to take the next available flight back to the village. Cool here? Let's go!
Ugo, it's not fair. This is not fair. You lied to me about everything. Where are the cars? The houses? What happened to them? God will judge you. Ugo, God will judge you.
It is you that God will judge. Yes, you that wrecked my life savings. It is you God will judge. Devil. Winch.
I'm not going anywhere.
Stand up.
I'm not.
I say you should stand up.
But
I'll leave you here.
God will judge you.
It's like you don't know these people. See, you will mob and clean for 2 months. Stand up, let's go.
I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. What's that crowd?
Stand
I'm
up.
not going. Leave me alone. No. I'm not.
Stand up.
I'm not. Leave me alone.
Hello, fine man. Hello. Look, I can help you ease your stress. I'm very affordable.
I would have gone for an affordable woman. I would have settled for an affordable woman. See where my foolishness has landed me. From grace to grass. Back to square one.
Would you mind sharing with me? I can be of great help to you.
I am finished. Isn't it obvious that I am not okay? Can't you see I am a finished man? I allowed a woman, not just a woman, some village girl,
Calm down. Everything will be alright, okay? I believe. Calm down.
Norma has finished me. Norma has finished me. Norma has finished me. She has taken me back to square one.
What happened? I mean, what exactly happened?
I refused to use my sense. I was just misbehaving, doing things anyhow she wanted. Look at me now. I used to be successful, very rich, but look at me.
I'm still confused. What happened?
I am more confused than you are.
I just wish I can set this whole honey before 2 p.m. You know, I would really like us to go home on time so that I can spend some quality time with you. I just hope so. Ogini, is it too heavy?
I'm alright. It's fine. I'm alright.
What is I'm alright? It's obviously you don't want to have this, but no problem.
I was thinking how sweet it will be spending time with you. It will be so sweet, I swear.
Yes, you know, you are such a sweetheart. You're very sweet, so.
Thank you.
Yes, keep it up.
Thank you. I are a cute boy. You're so handsome.
I know. People tell me every day. Be coming. Let me find something.
Sit down.
wallet!
Give me which wallet?
Give me my wallet!
Give me which wallet?
Hand my wallet over to me!
See, since you have refused to bring out money for food peacefully, I will take it from this your dirty wallet in pieces.
Don't take my money. If I want to give you money, I will give you money wholeheartedly. Give me my wallet!
Has never been the time you want to give me money. I'm going to bring you
my wallet.
I'm
Don't open the wallet! Give me my wallet! Don't open the wallet! Stop! Why are you doing this to yourself? Why have you chosen to suffer?
Hey, Soba, Biko. Just leave me alone this morning. Rap Maka Biko. Oh?
So I should not help, isn't it?
It's not what I mean now. It's not as if I don't want you to help me. But if you want to help me, you help me. If you don't want to help me, can I help you?
Look, I will not help you again. I will not help you.
It's not what I mean. You two get all temper. It's not what I mean. See me, I'm dying here. If you leave me, I'll faint. You better help me. Tomorrow night you say you love me. Now you are doing shakara to help me and carry gallon again.
It's not nice that I should not help you.
Help me. I'm telling you now to help me now.
I'm just lucky that I like you. If not, I would have allowed you to suffer and die in the hands of that useless boy that does not love you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, look at me now. Just go to Maya. Why are you doing this to me? See, deep down my heart, I love you. You are the love of my intestine. Can't you see that Ugo does not love you? Yes, Ugo does not love you. If he does, he won't allow you to suffer like this. How can someone give a young girl like you to carry this big heavy honey? Honey is very heavy now.
See, if you want to help me, you help me. If you don't want to help me, you leave it. As for this gallon, I am doing it on my own accord. Ugo did not force me. Only want him to save the money for the transport. Ogukwa.
Enukwa?
Hey.
I will keep praying. I will keep so that this your Iberibe will end. So it will expire. Your will go or vanish here. What is all this now, Uge?
Do you want to help me or not?
Don't worry. Very soon you begin to value the charming man in your presence. No, don't worry. Very soon you put one line. You start standing and start asking. You not regret it. So had I know. I don't want.
I say praise charming because again. Look at this one. I better carry gallon. Let's go, Joe.
Before you come.
Leave me. Do you want to carry it or not?
If not for hey, I am come. Give me my wallet!
Ignash! Come on,
give it to me!
What is it?
Give it to me!
What is it? Okay, what is the problem?
Tell this idiot to give me my wallet! You see what I'm telling you?
Hello.
Have you seen what I've been telling you? I've been advising you to don't get married to a wrong woman!
Yes, sir!
A wrong woman!
Yes, because I got married to a wrong man! If you had given me money, would I be running with your wallet? I thought you said you don't have money. I thought you said you don't have money. So why are you pursuing me around the whole place now?
What is calm down? Say me running naked on the street. She don't even care. She does not care if I am naked or not. If someone else is seeing my ntanta that she used to enjoy every night.
Get out. Who told you I'm enjoying anything? I don't care. I don't care. After all, if you had given me money for food, would I be here running with your wallet?
Come on, Chichoke. Wifey, because near the wallet.
Mbao. I am not giving him any wallet until I collect money for food.
Give me my wallet.
I'll collect.
Don't open it. Don't open it.
I thought you said you don't have money. Why are you not shouting?
Collect this wallet from her.
Give him the wallet when I come
Which
back.
wallet? Which wallet?
Give him.
Give him.
Wifey. Because no. So me had the wallet.
Okay.
Don't have anything to do with this kind of woman. This is why I'm advising you.
I have also told you, don't marry a man like this. If you look at me. Let me see what is. Let me collect money first. I will collect food money before I talk about.
Red flag.
Chijoke, what is this? Eh?
What is what?
Chijoke, eat the condom, 3 receipts, yeah?
Red flag.
Chijoke!
Is it not your condom?
Whose condom?
Chijoke, so...
What is?
Is your condom?
Give me condom, then.
Is that my wallet?
Chijoke, what are you doing with condom?
Did I use it with you?
Eh? You think you can shame me? You think you can disgrace me in this village? Okuga Anwara, because you cannot shame a shameless person.
Thank God you admit that you are shameless.
Did I care?
At least we agree on one thing. You are shameless. And the worst is that you are shameless and you are poor. Very bad combination. Eh? And then on top of that, you are a fornicator. So all this running and somersaulting on the road is because you are hiding condom inside your wallet. Hey, Gadi here, Shemwai, Shishi, or a condom. That is why you were running like a goat. Akuya, Ebi there's a condom.
Ebi there's a condom.
Hi.
Ebi there's a condom. Ina nyamu cheat outside. Ina nyamu just about condom nje cheat. Ina nyamu.
Look at you. Look at you. So open a moto kuburu nozo. If you had died on the road, if a car had knocked you down and you died, what would you have told your God?
Okay,
that you were running because you are hiding condom. Fornicator. Ezo kuiko.
I will fornicate today and tomorrow. I will continue fornicating.
Mr. Chijoke, can you please allow me to discuss with your wife?
Look, I'm only respecting our girl. If not for the sake that Oge is here, I would have shown you that you're not the only mad person in this house.
Is that the same Oge that is holding me? Because if not for Oge that is here, you know what I can do. You know I will not stand here and be talking to you now.
Look at this woman beater. Fool. You might go and let condom name after. It's let condom. Don't say alum.
Oh, you may go and let condom. You know how much they say condom, but how much do they say a cup of Gary? Hey, go and let cup of Gary.
Cup of Gary, cup of egusi.
I regret marrying this man. I regret marrying him. Hey!
You regret marrying him.
If you regret marrying me, why don't you go back to your father's house? Go back to your father's house. I don't do again. I don't want to marry again. Or problem. Go back to your father's house.
Behave like a man for once.
See how shameless he is. Look at how shameless he is.
The one can behave like...
Yes, now. Everybody knows you behave like a woman. You, in fact, not a woman. You behave like a she-goat. Go inside. Come on, get out. Fool. Look at this goat. Eh?
He's still your husband.
Mother, I know you.
He's your husband. Let me ask you, how did you end up in this kind of marriage?
My marriage was not always like this. So, in fact, I used to enjoy my marriage very well. My marriage was blissful. Until the devil decided to come into my marriage and scatter it. Yeah?
Is it massage or eat? What are we having for dinner? Also, I'm
very tired. This big home, I don't think I can cook anything to do.
Is that why you're panicking? Why can't you? Don't worry, relax yourself. I would rather go out there and buy food for the both of us. Yeah?
Okay.
All I need you to do now is to go inside, take your shower, wait for me in the bedroom. Yeah? If I come, I will give you, that kind of smoothie. Yeah, that will boost your,
Look at you, he's talking. I thought you said you are hungry.
I am hungry, but I must eat before I eat. You know. Hey man, I wake up with smoothie.
Okay. So tell me, what are you going to buy?
Rice and banga stew. Hey, I like it.
Banga stew? No, you know I don't like banga stew. I like biko.
Okay, man, yeah? You don't want to cook, and you have a choice. Yeah? No, Jello, sorry. Look, I will buy whatever you want. What do you want?
Leave me. Just leave me alone.
Sorry now. Yeah? I'll buy your favorite. Yeah?
Are you sure?
Yeah. I am serious. I'll buy your favorite. Yeah?
Okay, so why did you want to make me angry?
Sorry now. Oh, forgive me. No. Oh. Why would you say a thing like that? Yeah? How much was spent in a wedding does not matter. It doesn't count. What matters is how peaceful the marriage will be. How productive and peaceful the marriage will be.
Look at who he's talking. Let me tell you, marriage is a lifetime event. So it needs to be talked about. It needs to be memorable. Even if it means you going to borrow, go and borrow so that your wedding will be the talk of the town and then everyone will move around. That is what anybody that values the wife, anybody that values the marriage will do.
What values the wife? You know, at times you speak like someone who talks from the anus. You talk like someone who does not have a single sense. No. You are advising your fellow human being to go and borrow money to make someone else happy. Yeah? Just to make someone else happy. And afterwards, yeah? That's the kind of person you are.
Did you just call me senseless? Senseless. As in, you opened out your mouth to say that I don't have sense.
I didn't say that. You see, I didn't call you senseless. Alright?
So you are insulting me because I told you the truth. Okay?
I did not insult you. I was just giving you an example. Why will
you not give example? Of course you will give example now. After all, you know I don't blame you. I blame myself. Yes, so I blame myself for allowing you to do that cheap, local, tasteless, classless wedding for me. That is why you have the mouth to talk. That is why you don't have respect for me. Foolish, useless, cheap wedding. Let me ask you something. Did anybody talk about our wedding? No, did anybody talk about our wedding? That is how cheap the wedding was.
People talked about the wedding. People came here to tell me how your uncle was packing bottles that day. Even your grandma carried plates around. The rice we cooked on that day, people went home with coolers of rice. What are you saying? I did my best.
Oh, you are even talking. Because I did not tell you how your father carried the cooler of Nkwobi. The Nkwobi we did for Omwada, Balaga. Or is it that your younger brother Fulef? Your younger brother Fulef, is it because I did not tell you? Fool.
Fulef, my younger brother. All my money.
Look at you.
Oh my God!
You're not ashamed of yourself. Why will you not support your fellow in the cheap wedding? Of course you will support. You will support all rubbish.
Thank God. Just thank God that I came to uproot you from your father's house.
Hey.
Yeah?
Once again.
Your father's house. Yeah? I came and go and marry.
Look at who is talking. No. I'm not the 90 kg before I came here. But wait, I go out here, covering your shame, telling people I'm not your shape. Meanwhile, hunger wants to finish me in your house. And I say your house. Is this your house? You don't even have a house. I'm not here.
This house is better than that kiosk in your father's house. This my duplex is better than that kiosk in your father's house.
No. 5 generations. 5 generations have left their curses in this house. Okay, ma? All of them left their footprints in this house.
Your ancestors didn't leave anything.
Maybe it is their grace that are pursuing us and making us not to have money.
Your ancestors didn't leave anything. They didn't leave anything for your father.
My father is a self-made man. Go and make money.
Self-made man.
That is what you are. Look at you. You are young, but I go out with China issue to one
I have money now. Yeah? I will bet Nigeria. I will never leave bet. So what would I do with this one now? And eat with Bobby. Money speaks. Yeah? Money speaks. Poverty is the way by the rich. Yeah? This is 1,000, 1K. I have money. Alright. Is it not shawarma? Okay, I'll buy shawarma, pizza, and some other things, you know, even with milk, you know. Alright, give me one. You now stop for that thing, because I got you. It's a meal I want. Very bad woman.
Get that thing.
I'm
So
sorry.
get that thing.
I'm sorry.
Look at you. So if I did not faint now, you would have gone out to enjoy yourself with this money without you.
Impossible. There's no way I'm going out without you. I'm sorry, it's very bad. I'm waiting for you.
But I'm still angry with you. You said I don't have sense. Mo, I don't have sense.
How can I say such a thing? You have sense, oh. How can I say you don't have sense? Someone I went to marry with my own money does not have sense. I'm the only senseless person here. If you see my other things inside, I'm very senseless.
So I have sense.
You have sense.
Big one.
A large one, so. Very bad, though. Three is good, very bad.
Okay. I want shower. What the hell? Pizza. I want pizza. The big one. That one that is inside large carton. Look at carton age booty big like this. That is what I want.
You are a thief. You are a thief. Odumeje will say you are a completed mango tree.
At least now for once. Let us enjoy ourselves.
Ourselves. You know, from Galadima. You were forming Galadima for me.
Forget that thing. Galadima nebe. Go pizza. Okay,
I have the 1,000.
Manzu pizza. Manzu. Pizza Galadima. Bring more money. Odogu.
You like Diego too much. I take this one.
Hey, now what? Hey! But some car man's go, you must go. You on you go. Now what? More.
This one play better.
Bet again. Yeah, let's eat money first. Offer. Then is many one. Just pia one. As I don't go okay. Pian one. I find you come again. Talk about you. Hey!
You know what I want to eat?
Get it?
Oh, breadfruit. Without some koronko.
With Ega.
Go. With Ega.
I thought this is pizza money.
No, pizza. I will buy pizza from this one. Now go.
My work. This one is my pizza money.
I said,
bring money for Okwa. Sometimes when your hand touch money, make us so that nature will give you more money. I
just said I will buy.
No. I can't do it. It goes out and it comes in. That is the rule of money.
You said Bet Naija will do more harm to me. Bet Naija gave me this money. Yeah? Bet Naija gave me this money. Go prepare Okwa with this one. Okay, now don't worry.
Okay, no problem now. At least I have pizza money. I will buy my pizza, eat my pizza, and then go to sleep jejely.
Are you sure you not give me this money now? Are you sure you not give me this money?
Yeah, my makanara.
Allah. Nonsense! Okay. Huh? How can you make a pot of salt and ask me to eat it? And you made food? Who does that?
Sorry now. It was not my fault. I told you that since I gave birth that I'm having problems with my taste buds.
No, you did it out of your carelessness and stupidity. Tell me!
can you be so mean? How can you be so insensitive? How can you say that to me?
I am mean. I am mean. Super golana isi ga na pila no. Ya na chabasi enu.
But it was not my fault. I did not do it intentionally. It was not my fault.
Whose fault is that?
It's not my fault.
My fault. My fault. Yeah?
So this is the love that you promised me, eh? This is the love you promised me. But they said it, I did not hear. That once somebody gives birth, that is it. You men will just change like that. Eh?
I promised you love.
So you have gotten to the point where I'll be crying and you not do anything.
This is not the love I promised you. Love. I promised you love. Look, see, I don't care. I don't care if you're crying or not. I am going out there to play drafts with my friend. By the time I come back here and meet an empty pot, spaghetti.
What is going on? Does it mean that this man does not love me anymore or what? Before, if I cry, only me and one time or he will start begging me. Has not happened, Poba. That was it, oh. That was it. He changed completely.
Then, what went wrong? What exactly went wrong? Why did he now change?
I think he's cheating on me.
Cheating?
That is what my gut feeling is telling me. He is cheating on me. That is why he's treating me the way he is. Now that I have seen small evidence, I want to catch him red-handed. I want to catch him in the act, and I will do it.
Chisomu. Chisomu. Are you sure about that?
Hey!
Beautiful queen of Opiland. Asana
Ogi.
Always on top.
So this is the early morning I'll come and see you that you promised me. Huh?
I know you will go there. See, I am very sorry. After helping Ugo to convey his honey to the park, I was so tired. My whole body was itching. As a human being, I had to rest. I'm sorry, Biko.
Oh, okay. Have you made this a habit? Huh? Why did he not hire Keke Napep to help him convey his honey to the park? Why is he so bent on making you suffer?
You are right too. It's not like my Ugo cannot hire Keke. I was the one that told him to save that money for something else.
Hi.
You should save it for something very important. Not ordinary Keke that I know that I'm capable and able and strong to carry honey. What is honey that I cannot carry now?
I cannot wait to see this stingy and archaic man who has forgotten the fact that women are not meant to be stressed. Rather, they are meant to be taken care of.
Asa Opiland, I am not complaining.
You're not complaining?
I'm okay where I am.
What did he feed you with?
There she goes again.
No, tell me, because it baffles me that this man has not even proposed to you. He has not asked you out. Yet he is comfortable keeping you beside him as a support system when doing nothing for you.
I know. I know that Ugo has not proposed to me. And whatever thing that I am doing for Ugo, I'm doing it because I like him. And I know Ugo likes me too. And in my dreams, he has proposed to me several times. So I believe one day he'll make me his wife. His Lolo.
Hey, yeah. I really can't wait to see this man. When are you going to introduce me to him?
Soon. Very, very soon. Do you know what? I promise you will like
me.
Him. Yes.
I will like him.
Yes. Do you know why I say so? He's cute. He's a nice guy. He knows the beautiful, sweet, sweet things to say to a woman. To make her feel happy.
Wake up. Out of it. Let's talk about something else.
You will not understand. Ugo is too handsome. I'm so happy that you saw everything.
Yes, I did. And how did you know I sold everything on time today? You amazed me.
The thing there is that I finished my house chores on time. So, and I decided to come because I know you'll be back on time.
You see, that is why I call you a special one.
Thank you.
You're the best.
Thank you. So, does that mean that we are going to spend time together today?
That would have been a wonderful idea. It's just that I am so tired. I need to go home and rest. But don't worry, tomorrow we'll spend the whole day together.
No problem. No problem. I wouldn't be the one to prevent you from resting. So just go home and rest. Oh, so Wadolo.
Thank you very much.
Another day. You won't believe it. I nearly peed on my body. I was so scared.
I still can't believe those masquerades could be that mean.
Very mean. Those people are heartless. I was just shivering, praying to God. I wish I would just escape from
Why will masquerade be chasing women in the first place? An apala.
I don't know.
This is the person I want to see right now. What's up now?
What's up, me guy? You have been forming busy for me.
That's a good afternoon.
Good afternoon, beautiful lady. So you have been the one taking him away from me, right?
It's not like that, so it's not like that.
Okay. Why don't you carry the gallons to the house? Yes. I need to get some drugs. I think I have headache.
Headache? What? Is this serious? I can go and buy drugs for you.
No. Just take the gallons home. I'll get the drugs. I have my friend here. He will accompany me, okay?
No, it's not stress. I can buy the drugs and I can even prepare food for you to eat.
No, don't worry. Just take the gallons home. You can drop it in front of my door and go home. When I return, I'll let you know.
Okay, you know what? Don't worry yourself. Just go home. Take care of yourself. He's in a good hand. I will take care of him. Yeah?
Are you sure?
Yes,
please take very good care of him. I think it's stress that is doing him.
Yes.
So take care of him.
I'll
come and see you in the evening.
Okay, no problem.
Take care of yourself.
No wahala.
Just drop it.
Here is your food.
There's your food. So you want me to eat your food after embarrassing me? After disgracing me publicly today? You want me to eat your food? Huh? Do you know what you did to me today? Do you know how many people saw my nakedness today?
Bia. Chijoke. If you want to eat, you eat. If you don't want to eat, you tell me. Let me take my food inside.
I will not eat.
Then when,
I swear to God, who made you and I will not eat this food. I will not eat until you apologize. Until you say so. You see, you cannot apologize ordinarily. You cannot apologize to me with an empty hand. you have to go to the market and buy a white male fowl before I can accept to eat this nonsense you call food.
Look at him. Akpuriogonogo. Long throat. You can listen to chicken now go. So me, I should apologize to you before you eat food that I made with my own money. Yeah?
You're still insulting me. You're still insulting me. You don't want to apologize. You're insulting me. Look, if you don't want to apologize, if you don't want to say sorry, carry this food out of my sight. But if you want to apologize, apologize now and let me eat this food. Apologize now. I'm waiting. Apologize and let me eat. You don't want to apologize? You don't want to say sorry? You don't want to say sorry? No problem now. No problem. I am only Kayago. I am only Kayago.
You said that you had headache. Is this part of the medicine that cures headache?
I said I was going to get some drugs. I did not mention the exact drug. So, this is the drug. Syrup.
Syrup. Yeah, but the pharmacy I know. Listen, your act there was so bad. Why would you discharge that beautiful lady like that? That's so bad.
That girl was looking for who to spend time with, and I don't have that time. Oh God, dear one.
How you go? Forget this your spray where they rub for head. It say you see the young boy. See, that lady is from a beautiful home, well trained, with good background, with little fear, as in full fear of God and respect. Can't you just embrace those qualities and make her your wife?
Analyst, I don't know when you became Oge's brother. Obviously, you should have known that Oge is not anywhere close to the kind of girls I want to mingle with. I'm just leaving her to do whatever she wants to do around me. She happens to be a good girl, and amongst the whole guys in this village, she decided to be loyal to me. Or are you jealous?
How can I be jealous of classlessness? A beautiful girl like that loves you, and you're taking advantage of her. See, if you don't have anything for this girl, why are you leading her on?
I am not leading anybody on. No. Just that I don't want to tell her how I feel, because she'll be heartbroken. And you know I'm a good person.
You are leading her on because of your selfish interest. If you need house help, why not go and bring people that will be helping you to cook? Why are you turning this beautiful girl into your house help? Cooking food for you, helping you to wash your clothes, carrying your holly on her head as if it's her personal load.
Like I said, Oge happens to be a good person. She has been doing all that. Hey, close your mouth. She has been doing all that by her own decision. I did not force her to do it.
Young man, if you know you don't have anything to do with that girl, stay away from her.
Wait, this one way, I don't understand though. When did you become Oge's brother? Okay. Every time, okay. Morning, okay. Afternoon, okay. Night, okay. But see, I'm just being myself around that girl. Just let me be. I'm just taking my time.
My brother, do not say that I did not tell you. You will regret it when you miss this girl. Marry this girl now that she's still humble to you, because you know I'm seeing you getting useless.
When I ask this woman to get us another bottle.
But we need to go to pharmacy. Let's get paracetamol at least.
This is the para I need.
The para you need.
This is the
para you need is Oge. So that she will para you well.
Oge will make me para. This one will come the para.
Ha! You see yourself as a small boy. 42 years. Stay counting.
40 years old man.
It's a useless man.
When I ask this woman to get us another bottle.
Madam, do you have paracetamol?
Please, who took the money I left on the table in Mama's room?
Oh, I did. I took it.
Ngwan, give me. I want to use it to go and buy food stuff.
Well, I used it to buy some of my makeup kits. You can tell Mama to give you another one.
Tell her to give another one. Sister? So the money that was meant for food stuff, you used to go and buy your makeup things?
I don't understand. Are my makeup things not relevant? What is even wrong with you? I have told you, go and tell Mama to give you another money. When you're ready to go to the market, I'll know.
Mama? Mama, oh! Come, the pocket out. Just come. What is all this one now? And what is this? And what?
Mama, give that money to him. Kita, if you want to buy powder, go and sell palm kernel and do that. What is it?
Mama, you expect me, no baby, to go and break palm kernel, sit down and separate them just because I need money? Really? Of course it's not happening.
You can't keep taking the money that your brother realized from all these small jobs he does. Go and look for something doing, Norma. What is it?
Wait though, Mama, are you being serious right now? Like I should go and look for work just because I need money? What is even my offense? No, tell me, what is my offense in this life? No. Am I the one that told Papa to abandon us? Did I? Mama, I am a lady. A beautiful one at that. I am not supposed to overwork myself. I'm not even supposed to do anything. I am meant to be provided for. And that's on period.
Ezioku. Hey!
Sister, did you hear yourself? Mama, did you hear that? No. Sister, your mates are in the market doing well for themselves. Frying granite, roasting corn. This is corn season. Go and find something in the market and start doing.
Zoba! If you speak to me in that manner again.
Imagine it!
In fact, I'm
happy. Continue being a lady. Don't go and look for work.
Excuse me,
continue to be a lady.
I can be a lady.
Leave her. Let's go.
One how?
Don't worry. I'll give you another money.
So buy generator.
Come.
Hey, my husband, use money and buy your makeup.
Yes, generator so that I will not be sweating. I'm doing my makeup on that sun. Yes, that house is too hot. That's why I'm outside. Nonsense. Your mates are hustling. Your dear. Come, cut away you. Nonsense. What kind of stress is this? Try again. Go and get married and leave your mother's house. Nonsense. Your mates are abroad, hustling and sending their family money. Ordering small makeup. How much is even the money itself? Ordering 30,000 I took to buy makeup, you're complaining. What with 30,000 buy for me? Because I'm even managing it. If I see another money, I'll collect again. It's not a crime to be beautiful. Oh God, I'm sweating. I don't even do this.
This meal is so delicious.
Ha!
You like it?
That is an understatement. I love it.
Oh, hey. Thank you so much. Thank you for liking the food. So tell me, how are you feeling now?
I feel better. Do you know, before you stepped into this place, I was very sick. But the moment I saw you, I became well.
Hey! I'm so happy. I'm happy that my food can make your sickness go away.
See, not just that. Do you know you are like the sun that brightens my worst moment?
Oh God, stop now. You're making me to blush. But don't allow your girlfriend to hear this one. No, it's too expensive.
Which girlfriend? Tell me, is there any other girl in this whole community that can be close to me the way you are? No, now. Which girlfriend are you talking about?
Wait, though. Are you trying to tell me that you don't have a girlfriend? And if yes, what is keeping you from having one? Because I know in this village you have beautiful girls that are ready to make.
Calm down. I found a special girl. And when the right time comes, I will ask her out.
You found a special girl?
Yes.
It's not that I'm being too curious, so tell me as your friend now. Who is the special girl?
Like I said, when the right time comes, I will ask her out. Calm down in our speed, okay?
Okay, it's fine. Oh. But ndị Igbo sị, eme ngwa ngwa, eme ala ọdachi. The earlier, the better. Yes, it's better you tell her now. It's better you ask her out now before someone else does. Delay is dangerous. Ask her out now so she can say yes.
You know, there is also a saying that says, the patient dog eats the fattest bone. And not just that, what is mine will always be mine. And what is yours will always be yours. Nobody can take it away from you. Come rain, come sun. So when the right time comes, I am going to ask her out. And not just that, I have fully made up my mind. After asking her out, I'll carry her to the altar. So that we'll be legally joined as one. 1 + 1 will now be 1. Ofu, blood, and one bone.
Immediately you are asking her out, you'll be taking her to altar. Hey! Ugo, you finish
so that now,
Ugo, you finish me. Ugo.
Thanks, sir.
Answer the wagon. Answer the wagon. Look, I'm still waiting for your apology. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wait, does it mean that this woman will not give me food to eat? She just finished eating. And there is no sign of my food. And she's just to apologize. I'm hungry. This woman should come and apologize and give me food. Let me eat. What sort of nonsense is this? This woman is very wicked. What kind of wicked soul is this?
Okay. Okay, I don't understand. You asked me to come. I even had to rush down to this place thinking something huge happened. And since I came, you've just been laughing and moving your body. What is going on? Tell me, did you win a lottery?
I did not win any lottery. And this one is bigger than winning a lottery.
Really? Did your uncle promise to take you abroad?
My uncle did not promise to take me abroad. And this one is bigger than going to abroad.
Wait. Okay, you're making me anxious. What could be bigger than traveling abroad and winning a lottery? Okay. Please tell me. I want to
I know you like juice.
I love any good news.
You love juice.
I love good news. You can say that.
You see why you do that?
Tell me now.
Just say like this.
I want to listen.
Are you calm now?
I'm calm. Tell me.
Okay. I'll tell you. Yesterday, I was with my Ugo and I stylishly asked him if he has a girlfriend. Do you know why I did that? Because I want to know my fate. You know now, guess things now, get our boy routine. Do you know what my Ugo did? He held my two hands and he said,
I already found a special girl.
You said that to her?
Yes, now. See, I don't want to lose that girl. You know how important this girl has been all this while. She stays at the shop whenever I am busy, and she knows when to bring food for me. Morning, afternoon, night. If I will have to pretend to gain her ground, I will continue to pretend. Do you understand? And this same girl, don't forget, she helps me convey honey to the park every day. One day, I don't want to lose her. So I call her a special one.
Wait, hold on. Okay, are you okay? Like, wait, let me check. Are you running fever?
What is it? I'm okay, I'm fine.
No, you're not. You should be ashamed of yourself. But no, you don't feel any atom of shame. And that is because you've lost your sense of reasoning. Yes, that is why you don't feel shame at all.
Norma. Let it not be what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
Are you jealous of me?
You
should be happy for your friend.
Happy for you? My friend, for being a fool. I should be happy for you because that idiot has turned you into his maid. After turning you into his mate, he cannot even use his useless mouth to properly propose to you. And you're here jubilating over his plotted scheme. Really?
You lied. Yes. You see my Ugo. My Ugo loves me.
Hi.
He desires me. Everything about me makes him go gaga. And I love him too. Do you know what he's waiting for? For the right time. Ugo is waiting for the right time to propose to me. And I know he will do it soon. So be happy for your friend.
Okay, you will wait until you're older than Methuselah. Ugo will never ask you out.
Are you this wicked?
I'm telling you this because he does not love you. That man does not love you. He is only keeping you around for his selfish interest. Bet me. Bet me! Stop doing all those things you do for him. Stop carrying his gallons around and bet if he will keep being nice to you. Or he will keep you around as his friend. Bet! Stop all those benefits and see what happens next.
Okay, Selo. It's a lie.
Okay.
Ugo loves me. See all this thing that I just mentioned, I am doing it on my own accord. Nice. Ugo knows to force me. I'm doing it. I'm not doing it to gain anything. I'm just doing it because I know Ugo loves me. And I love him.
Did you eat it? Or they used it to pour you on the face?
Eli.
Answer me now. Let's know how to.
I ate it.
How to, you ate it.
I showered with it.
Hi.
He used the love to bath me. Oh, yes, Amalo. You will not understand.
Of course. I can hear myself. Why you look like me like that?
What you're doing is wrong. How can you be this heartless? What you're doing is wrong. How will you feel if somebody is using you the way you're using this girl? How will you feel?
Hey, don't even go there. No one can use me the way I am using her. So don't put me in that category.
Okay, you think she's a fool, right? She's a fool because she loves you. I don't know how you reason. You have to remember that it's not always advisable to take advantage of genuine love. Stop taking advantage of this her love. It's bad.
Are you done? Everyone look at you.
See, Ugo, listen, karma is real. Karma is real. And when it will land on you, you will remember this day. How can somebody give you genuine love, turn herself into a truck that conveys your goods to the market? After all that, you can't even show her genuine love or even original propose. Just give her a ring. Real one. Wicked soul. Hey, the one beautiful. Can this boy jegwegu?
You just dey mumu. You just dey mumu for love. Gwe. You not fall in love. Gwe. Love ulishi. Gwe. You. I love you. Gwe. You want to go? Love him.
See, Zoba, I'm not in for your troubles. I am not just in the mood. Biko, rap mark.
Do I look like someone that came with trouble? And just check out. Do I look like trouble to you? Okay. I had everything you told my sister. I am here to borrow my shoulders for you to lay on it and cry. For you to be sharp, we can cry well.
What's the meaning of that one? Am I crying? Did you see any tears on my eyes? And even if I need shoulder, it shouldn't be your own now.
But what is this in your eyes?
I'm not crying.
You're not crying? Okay, I had everything you told my sister. Okay, that boy does not deserve you. Does not deserve your love. Okay, look at, do you know who you are? Okay, just checking it. Look at. Okay, look at shape. Okay, that boy is just using you as a slave. Even Nyoga. You are meant for boys like us with bright future.
Like this. With your oversized knicker and your head like coconut.
Don't look down on me, okay? I have a bright future. My future is bright. I have gone and I had to go mess. They say that I will make it in before 20 years.
20 years?
Yes, very soon I will cash out.
How old are you?
32.
32. Plus 20 years. 52.
And before 20 years, before then, I have a bright future. Don't look down on me. Okay, you see, when I will take you as my own, you will not even suffer. I will hire a maid and the ones that will take care of your head. They will massage you. Your hands, they will touch you. You won't do anything at home.
Hey, shut up. Turn around, I want to check something.
I should turn around.
So small. You are rushing it. Just step by step, turn around. So like this now with your oversized knicker, you won't take care of me, okay? And your coconut head, looking skinny, like someone that have not fed for 5 days. Are you okay? Don't you know your class?
Okay, this is Toko.
This is oversized. Your late father's knicker, because he cannot afford one. As cheap as Okreka knicker. Let's say 500 naira. Yes, he can purchase one for 500. But he can't because he don't have money. You are telling me I should wait for 20 years. What can you 20 years?
Okay, I'm a future billionaire.
Future billionaire.
I will make it. Okay.
If I send you, I will give you a designer snap that will set this your coconut.
Okay, wait. You
Don't touch me again.
Oh yeah, show me love, so I'll start to fat.
Zoba, don't touch me again.
Oh, because of I love you want to slap me, okay?
Respect yourself.
Because of love. Okay, come on now. Because
touch me again if you are a man. Mba, touch Kenema again.
Because of I love you. I touch.
Are you stupid? Are you mad?
Okay, girls are dying for me and I'm saying no. I'm refusing them because of you. That time a big girl toasted me and I said no, that I love my Ogie. Okay, come. Nanika walk or safe.
What kind of rubbish is this? How can I be hungry in my own house and there is food in the pot? Huh? What kind of a heartless woman did I get married to? Ordinary to apologize. It's taking her days. I have practically told her to forget about the vow. Just come and apologize like that and I'll accept it. Then you give me food to eat. I'm hungry. Give me food. No, I can't die of starvation in my own house. It's not possible. I must do something about it. No, I can't be hungry. What?
Chineke me. Oh, I thought you were not hungry. Hey, Mbano, Ebi no doing so. You are too near. Hey, Mbano, you would have gone to the junction now to eat. Or in fact, you would have gone to the market square to eat so that they will know you don't eat at home. You chose the apology. No, you would have waited for apology and chicken. Look at you. You just look like a monkey. You chose the chicken. Look at you stealing in your own house. Thief. Onyoshi, that is what you are. No, you would have waited for apology. Yeah, if you had waited for that apology, you see white, you will not see it. Thief. No, in fact, in a sense, you would have entered inside the gutter to eat, or better still, eat Bani or Urukovet. If you had stayed there, I wouldn't have caught you. Only. Okay, we won't get and on the vigilante. Thief. That's if you look at me like that again, I'll collect that pot from you. Hungry fool. No, you would have waited for apology. You can eat apology. Respect yourself and go inside. You can use your convert. Hungry fool. Hungry God. No, my fault. No, my fault. Let's go back to hungry.
After meeting you today, I promise you like me. Yes, you're such a nice guy.
That's not me to
Lord, whatever thing I'm doing for you is on my own fault.
Really?
It's not forcing me to do it.
It's not forcing you to do it. Just look at you. Nice person.
Calm down, you want
Me. I will like you. Oh God.
Hi, okay. How are you?
I'm fine. We are fine actually. Norma, me to go. We'll go meet Norma, my very good friend.
That's your friend, Norma?
Yes, the one I've been telling you about. Norma.
Adanomo. Hey, wow, such a beautiful name for a princess.
She's beautiful, right?
Is that what you're saying, small? She's the most beautiful I've ever seen in this village.
Norma is very beautiful. I know.
Okay.
And I know that you will like her.
She is not just beautiful, she's attractive.
Okay.
She's magneting me even.
Okay. Remember my mother said I should go to the market on my way home. So let's go.
Wait. When did you start going to the market?
Today. Now, this minute. Let's go.
It shouldn't start today now.
I don't
a beautiful girl like you, a princess, going to the market. Eh? See, don't start it today, Biko.
We'll see some other time. We have to go.
Norma.
Hey! Chineke. Where has this normal girl been all this while? I can't believe such a pretty girl has been in this community. Oge has been the one blocking my eyes from seeing something good like this. Anyways, this is the most reasonable thing Oge has done. Damn! Nwa chapura achapu. I am ready to kill goats for this one. Ha! One guy, if you see this girl I am talking about, she's a mixture of class and beauty. Beauty or not beauty, beauty. God is wonderful.
You can be at. Zimbabwe.
You people don't understand what I just said. I said I just found the girl that I truly love. She's everything, complete from head to toes, full option. You don't understand what it means to find a true beauty.
I pity you.
Huh?
I pity you.
Ugo, do you know that you're heartless? Senseless and shameless at the same time. You are a fool. Eh? When I heard you say, Ogechi, Kama, I was even thinking that you are referring to our normal Oge. Not knowing that you're talking about another person. How can you be this wicked and mean?
No, so. Why do you want to spoil my mood? Are you not happy that you're seeing me in this state of mind?
I pity you. Better than Melody. You know, lately I've been advising you as a very good friend to choose wisely. Know the kind of woman you let into your life, but you think I'm talking rubbish. Don't worry.
Ugo, we are not trying to spoil your mood. But I want to ask you one question. One important question. Are you ready to let Oge go for life?
I'm talking about beauty here. I'm talking about a full option woman. You're talking about Oge. Guy, why do you like going backwards? Forward ever. What's the meaning of this now? What is too hard that you people don't understand that I found what I want?
Ugo, I swear to God who made you and I, if you lose all gain in this life, you will live to regret it. For the rest of your life, is a promise.
Wait. I need you to answer me this question in plain terms. Are you ready? In fact, use the option of yes or no. If I should walk up to Oge now and tell her that, Oge, I love you from the anus of my heart. In fact, I want to be with you forever. If she agreed to that request, are you going to let her go? Yes or no? Are you going to allow me to have her forever?
Oh, now I understand why you use the word senseless, heartless, and stupid. Ah, God. Why do you always desire leftover? Eh? We are talking of something reasonable. In our kakoko oge, one buru oge. Carry her. I dash you oge with her mother, her father, everybody. One buru. If that is the reason you have been fighting me indirectly all this while, I dash you oge. Yes. Take her. Do you understand? I told you people I found someone I truly love. Someone that has what I want in a woman. Full option. Class plus beauty. Eh? You're still here fighting me unnecessarily.
Let's see.
Are you not supposed to be happy for me?
Let me tell you something.
Making me to sweat up and down.
Look. See, if you're going for breast and nyash,
advisor,
when you're dating a lady, yeah, that one is different. Because guy men, well, they can't want you to go back club. If you don't know who ala, yeah, what for back club? Fine. But if you want to get married, my brother, I am telling you, don't go for breast and nyash. Go for a woman who loves you. A woman who will respect you. A woman you can actually inculcate the things you do in. A woman who will represent you. A woman who will be there for you. A woman who is going to build with you. Because at the end of the day, you can only with the ukunara and you will get tired.
Are you tired of that woman you got married all this while? Even with the hell she's giving to you in that house.
And stop talking about my wife anytime we are discussing.
Because you're beginning to sound like my grandfather. Every time you want to advise us.
Every
time you want to advise us.
No, just start. Ugo, so what you just told me now is that Ugo is mine. Okay?
One Jeburu Oge. Take her, even her mother, her father, carry all of them. Stop talking about Oge here. I'm telling you people that I just found someone that I love. You're talking about Oge.
Hey, my brother, you married.
Don't mock me. As if you love, you got married. Every time you be sounding like my grandfather.
Stop mocking him.
Stop advising me. Go and suffer your suffer alone. You made the wrong choice. Ride there, enjoy it. For better for worse.
You're not ready now, go.
Agini.
You're not ready now.
Tell me your problem.
What are you doing?
I want to see your sister.
You want to see my sister, Mama? Why do you want to see my sister?
See one day. I have something important to discuss with her. Please help me call her.
So after what you did to me, you have the guts to show your face in my house.
What did I do to you?
You're asking what did you do to me? So you are claiming not to know that you took away the love of my life, Ogie.
Like when accusation. One day, verify before you start accusing me. Oge is just a friend. She's not my girlfriend. Ogenidi.
Are you sure?
I am sure now. You can ask your sister if you want.
But why did she refuse my proposal now?
You're talking as if you're a small boy. Don't you know how women behave? And they will do small shakara now. You have to put more effort. If you want, I can still help you talk to her.
Yes. Help me talk to her now. My guy!
Hey, don't shake me. Why are you opening your teeth? On one condition.
So upon the whole hailing now, the piece, you don't want the piece, Abi?
Oga, calm down. You scratch my back, I scratch your back. You do for me, I do for you.
No problem. What is the condition? Say.
Your sister, Norma, help me, talk to her on my behalf. Let her accept my proposal. I love her so much. I even love your sister more than you love Ogeo.
Ha!
Why?
What?
Okay. How is your friend Norma?
Norma is fine, no. Just that I've not seen her ever since that day.
Why now? Are you guys quarreling?
Oh, correct. We are not quarreling, no. Just that I've been busy. Very, very busy. That's why.
Okay. Just in case you see her, greet her for me, and I don't mind to see her again. Yes.
Oh, wow. I'll greet her for you. And when I'm coming to the park today to come and welcome you, I'll come with you. Hope you like it.
Oh, you see, this is why you are the best. You always read my thoughts. For Obere, I will just call you a magician sometimes.
Hey, I pray that you say well today. You finish this on time.
Amen.
So you come back on time.
I can't wait to sell everything. Even if I finish selling these small ones, I'll call you. You come and take the empty rubbers. You rush down to the house and fill it up and bring it for me again.
Hey, that would be nice. Such opportunity would be nice. For me, you can fill your gallon of oil.
You're the best.
Hey,
You're
thank you. Thank you so much.
Let's hurry up.
We're going, Kim.
Just look at you. Look at yourself. Simple apology. Come on, apologize. Apologize to me. It's taking you days to apologize to your husband after you call yourself a Christian. Come and make heaven, let me see. See, I will talk to Angel Michael in prayers. If they see you at the gate of heaven, they should use catapult and send you back. You need some catapult, Holy Ghost catapults in your life.
Did I say I will not apologize? I don't understand. Why are you trying to force the apology out of me? I said I will apologize when I am ready.
You apologize when you're ready. Yeah? Yeah, I'm losing now. If I die, you come and apologize to my ghost. Is that what you want? Yeah? Apologize now, or somebody I will apologize later. I am Jenegi. You want me to die before my time? You want me to die by hunger and starvation? So you go ahead and marry another man. Yeah?
See me see trouble. Did I ask you not to eat? Did I ask you not to go and take food? Eh?
Did I not tell you that I will never eat your food ever again until you apologize to me?
Then wait for me to apologize now. You're not saying an apology, no. Wait for me to apologize, then you go and eat whenever you like.
God, I've told you many times to take this Ekwensu and give me Jezebel. Take this girl and give me Jezebel. Jezebel is far better than you. You want to kill me? You want me to die by hunger and starvation in my own house?
But you're the one that wants to make heaven. And there's no way you enter heaven without dying. I'm just making it easy for you.
You will die.
Am I not a good wife?
Now you go die because you are the one that will die.
It's just EJ.
No, you will die before me. Oh, you want me to die young? Okoro them the women should die.
Hey.
I will never die. I will not die.
Oh,
go ahead. Even if I die, what I will do to you? I will naked you before the whole villagers.
Yeah, you want to go to heaven, but you don't want to die. You want to go to heaven, but you don't want to die. Okay. Because the way I'm seeing things, I will likely apologize next month ending. But ending now, banana weekend, maze no upper month. Yes, that's what my spirit is telling me. That's when my spirit is telling me to apologize.
Mama, please now. Just accompany me. I promise you won't waste time.
Are you listening to yourself? I shall accompany you to pick him up from the park. Like you want us to go together to pick him up from the park, then we'll go home to his house. He doesn't know the road to his house or what? Or is he still a child?
See, it's not the way we are seeing it. So just that my Ugo likes it when we walk back together.
It's okay. It's fine. You can go alone. I'm not interested.
After all my begging, please now.
I said no. I am not. I can't accompany you.
Please now.
Sister, I'm trying to say something. You see this Ogie here, eh? Ogie needs deliverance. She needs serious deliverance. Now, opposite, aqua miracle, but you such a pogo. Now,
what's the meaning of that one? See, Zoba, don't insult me. Don't just go there, Biko.
Ogie, I am in support of what Zoba just said.
Yes.
Oh, no.
What is even wrong with you? What did that low life give to you?
So, are you people trying to tell me now that to love someone is a crime? Is that what you are trying to say?
Akoko.
To love someone is not a crime. I mean, when you love someone who loves you back, it is not a crime.
Oh.
But when you fall in love with someone who does not know your worth, it becomes a crime.
Exactly.
Says me. Says Zoba.
Yes. Says me too. Says me. Eh? Okay, why will you be giving love to that who does not value you? Only value when you love no. So if you want love, reciprocate my love.
Huh?
Which mumu love?
Yes, those flowers I'm giving you, give me back.
Zoba.
Norma, please. Are we going or not? Let's just go now. We'll soon be back.
Ogene. Where do you buy this drink from?
Have you forgotten who I am? I always buy the best. One name will take up.
This one is going straight to my kidney.
While mine is going straight to my organigwe. So, my brother, what brought you here?
Ugo, if I must be honest with you, I regret ever getting married to Chisom.
Eh?
Yes. Ugo, I would have married Amarachi and have my peace of mind. I wish I can turn back the hands of time.
Why would you say such a thing about your wife? Chijoke, we all know that Chisom is way better than Amara. Chisom is more beautiful and exposed than Amara. That is all we all want in a woman.
Oh, God. Yeah, below, we are not talking about exposure. Yeah? Everything about this lady has vanished. Everything I saw in her before getting married to her has vanished. Respect. Love. Care. Ugo, when we were dating, this girl barely said a word. But you see now, she has turned into radio without battery. I don't have peace of mind in my own house anymore. Yeah?
But Chijoke, remember it is your wife you are talking about. Your bone and your flesh. You just have to endure. Yes.
I know we are talking about my wife. Yeah? She's my wife. All I'm trying to let you know is that you shouldn't leave Oge. Don't leave Oge. Oge is a perfect woman for you. Oge is ready to grow with you. Oge is ready to care for you. Oge loves you so much.
Who love her? One they love back walk. She loves me and so?
All I am saying is that if you want to marry, get married to a woman that loves you more. Yeah? Not a woman you love more. Alright? Any woman that loves you more will be ready to stand by you, to respect you, to build with you, to love and massage your ego. I don't want you to end up facing what I am facing in my house.
No woman on this earth can stress me. You hear me?
Ugo.
No woman born of a woman
Ugo
can make me go through the stress you're going through.
You're my friend.
You chose to be in that shit. endure it.
I choose to be in that shit. Yeah? That's why I'm doing my best to save you from going into that same shit. I know I made a mistake. So my job here is to protect you, advise you, so that you don't make the same mistake. Bro, I am seeing hell in my home. I am seeing hellfire in my own. I don't care if I eat or not. I'll walk straight home, lie down and sleep.
Bam,
Thank you
no
for
problem.
this spot.
We'll take up. You came out here. Let us talk about business, something else.
What business?
Tell me more about you.
There's nothing interesting about me.
There must be something interesting about a pretty damsel like you. Just give me gist.
Ogo, please, I don't have strength to gist. If you want to gist, you can gist with your girlfriend, Oge.
Why would you say such a thing? Oge is not my girlfriend now. She's just my friend.
Eh?
And now, you can ask her. She is here. Are we not friends? You've heard from the horse's mouth. Meanwhile, let me use this opportunity to give you this gift. I bought it for you. You will like it. City things for city girl that stays in the village.
Really? Thank you.
Let's keep working now. We are under the sun.
Thank you.
It's okay. So, just me now. Tell me something. Something about you that I don't know. At least now you know your friend is just my friend. We are not, you know.
Well, you already know my name is Norma. And I'm Oge's friend.
That's your name, eh? Norma. Hey. Oh, that's your name. You don't know how much I love that name. More or less the person that bears the name. Talk more of the person that bears the name.
Thank you once again. Thank you. I appreciate it.
What just happened? Wait, I don't understand what happened. Was Ugo trying to be friendly to Norma, or is it what my mind is telling me? Ugo has never bought anything for me since I knew him. Is he trying to make Norma accept him as my boyfriend? Yes, that is it. And I was thinking I'm getting myself locked up. He wants Norma to like him as my boyfriend. Yes, that should be it.
Who is the fool that pressed this toothpaste from the middle? Yeah? Who is that goat that did not come from a normal house that pressed toothpaste from the middle? Biaokoko, why? How have I not warned you several times? Have I not warned you not to be pressing toothpaste from the middle? Look at how untidy it is when you press it from the middle. Are you okay?
Leave me alone.
Yeah?
Come tell one.
Look at this goat. Look at this goat. See, my problem with you is that you have blockhead. You don't hear. And on your yet you don't listen. How many times have I warned you? You always like somebody to be saying one thing over and over and over and over again. Did your father exchange your brain for a plate of porridge?
Are you now realizing how I press my toothpaste? The toothpaste I bought with my hard-earned money. You're here to tell me how to press it. Ibo yala. Jenuka, Kanjogi, why didn't you reject me when I came to marry you? Why didn't you reject me when I came for your hand in marriage?
Friend, will you shut up your mouth or say so? You irritate me when you sound like a fool. I I don't want to warn you again. Next time, if from don't use it and press this toothpaste from the middle. Because if you try it again, you see how soft I'm talking now. You will not hear any soft thing from me. That is when you will see the madness that I am made of.
Go and buy your own toothpaste.
More.
Because you cannot do anything. Go and buy your own toothpaste and leave me alone. Leave my own alone.
Try it again. Try it again.
Try
it again.
Toothpaste you cannot afford.
You are not ashamed of yourself. Other men are buying houses for their wives.
Buying houses for their wife.
Not even toothpaste in the big company, man.
On a stock, you know.
How about toothpaste?
On a stock, you know.
How about toothpaste?
Is this place not a house?
How about
toothpaste? How about toothpaste? I provide everything in this. And you I provided them.
Yes.
All of it.
It is your job.
It is your job.
It's just that you provided the low quality. Your mates are providing on the character.
What have you ever done for me? Since I married, what have you ever done for me?
People outside respect you because of me.
Why?
But people respect you because of me. I'm not fear. If I carry my bag and leave this place, you see how people
People go be say about.
Yes, so.
Go leave us here.
All can happen ime. Makobo back on nya. Obakuona. Food. It is lack of nutrients. You know here akwọ nni. You know here ezigbo nni.
Agba ngota akwọ nni imo esi nni.
Ime gote. You want to now say that it is because of me that your head is going inside. You can't provide better food. Akwụkwọ nni, vegetable. Eh? Are you not
my wife? Are you not supposed to be my helpmate? Eh? What have you done for me? Oh,
Mama. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I want to see Norma.
Norma.
Yes.
Is your Norma missing?
I mean Norma, your daughter. She's my friend.
Mm-hmm. So, who are you and what do you want?
Mama, I know you don't really know me. My name is Ugonaya, son to Ugoaya.
And who told you that a man and woman can be friends?
Mama, I actually brought this for you.
For me?
Yes.
Yay.
I was unable to buy bread. I know they use this one and buy bread and any other thing.
All these things for me?
Yes, Mama.
Hey, hey, thank you.
So is Norma at home?
Norma.
Oh.
Norma.
She's at home.
Let me call her.
Okay.
Hey. No.
Oh,
Norma.
Oh my God.
I hope you love them.
Of course I do. Oh, this is beautiful. This is my favorite color. Pink. This is beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, how did you know my favorite color? I like this. Another one. Thank you. This is designer.
Mm-hmm. That is Gucci.
Oh my God. This is beautiful.
Yes, I know you love them.
I love them.
You see this particular designer? It has been existing since 1921.
Oh, thank you.
It is meant for queens like you.
Thank you so much. I sincerely appreciate it.
It's okay. If you need any other thing, just let me know. You know, I always go to the city.
Yeah, so that I will buy you more city things for a city girl that stays in the village.
That is true. Thank you so much. This is beautiful.
And before I forget, let me tell you, you see what I'm about to tell you now? This is the truth and nothing but the truth. I like when my woman gives me stress. Yes, always ask me for money. Demand for anything you want. Just tell me, I will do it. I am very rich. Forget the way I am dressing. I'm a very rich guy. It's just that Obodadi run my watago insecurity and all that. So I had to disguise myself because of kidnappers and bandits. So ask for anything you want. Anytime you want it, just ask. You shall receive.
This thing you said is true. You know, it's not just kidnappers. We have so many old women and men in this village.
Amunsu.
And most of them are witches and wizards. They are waiting to kill every young successful man. That is true.
You see, you're highly spiritual. And not just that. You see all these ododod witches and amunsu them. They like sucking people's blood. If they know that I have money now, they know that I eat very well. So they will come and suck my blood in the night. So you see why I've been disguising. And let me tell you, I have cars. I have cars. Drivers are running these cars for me. They bring daily returns. And I can also build a mansion in the village within 6 days if I want. And not just that, I can be building another mansion in the city and I build another one in the village the same time. Collabo. Odogu kariri Odogu.
Thank you
yes,
so much.
And I also made up my mind. The moment I get married, I am relocating to the city Ozugbo with my wife.
Wow.
So just imagine to be the one that will relocate with me.
Well, I really want to go to the city. This village is not for me at all. It's not my thing.
Mama, I know. As a matter of fact, you know some of the girls in the city, they are supposed to bring them back to the village.
Right.
While you're supposed to take their position there in the city.
Look at my earring. See?
Blinging. Don't worry, I'll buy you more. I'll buy you
Thank
more.
you so much.
See the way you're smiling, you look more beautiful. I actually came here to put smile on your face. As it is now, mission accomplished. Just keep smiling. Continue to smile. I'm okay.
Oh God, I'm so excited.
You
Thank
smile,
you so
I glow. You smile, I glow. You keep smiling, I keep glowing.
Okay, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Ogini, what is it?
Ugo, my mother.
Your mother?
My mother is dying. My mother is very sick. I was on my way to your house to borrow money from you. Because
your mother is sick. Why will she be sick now? See, at this moment, I don't have any money on me. I'm very, very broke.
Ugo, you are my last hope.
Hope?
Yes. Ugo, you are my last hope. Check it. Check very well if you see money in your pocket. Because you are my last hope.
I'm sorry, I will disappoint you because no money on me now. No money on me. The last money I had was 50 naira. I just gave it to one small boy now to buy puff.
Ugo, you are the only friend I have in this village. Because you are not a bad
So, Owenkiji, do you have any money on you? Do you know? See, okay.
But don't worry. Let me go and check my uncle.
Okay.
Let me see if he borrow me money.
Okay. Sorry. Why now? What do you do? What do you mean?
Why will you discharge your girlfriend like that? She's asking you for money to take care of her sick mom, and you are discharging her like that.
I don't have money to take care of any sick person. I don't have such money on me right now.
Wait, the money you said that you have with you, that we should go to bar and drink. Why can't you give us some part of from that part of that money? Why can't you give us
See,
some money?
no, so stop this nonsense. If you care so much, why didn't you give her the money? Because I told you I have some money in my pocket I want to use to go and cool off. Drink some bottles of beer.
You should have been ugly. So that we know that your heart is like your face.
Yeah.
You are deceiving people with this, so useless, handsome, dusters, and broken.
See, if you talk anyhow, when we get there, you pay for your drink.
I don't understand.
You have money. I wanted to buy you 2 bottles. As it is now, buy you 1.
You are so wicked.
Nah, crazy.
You are unbelievable. Look at the beautiful girl. Oh, it's only thought that I will find you.
You're still talking.
How do I end up with this broken?
In fact, I will not even give you 1 bottle. You will not see 1 bottle to drink. I will buy 1 bottle, drink from it, and give you half.
You will still come back and beg me. You think I don't know you're the woman? Look.
Okay, again. Where are you headed?
So my mother is not feeling fine. And I don't have any money to buy drugs for her.
What do you mean by you don't have any money to buy drugs for her?
So I have exhausted all the money on me. Like this that you see me, I'm empty. I don't have shingba. And I don't know what to do. It's very, very serious. So it's more than serious this time around. And the worst part is that I don't know who to borrow from. The worst is that nobody agreed to give me money. I don't know what to do. I'm confused.
So what about your boyfriend?
My boyfriend is fine, no. It's not as if that he cannot give me money, oh. Just that his business is not moving well. So he does not have money now.
His business, Charo, is it 2 million or 3 million you're looking for? How much are you now looking for?
My mother does not have kidney failure. It's just 20. It's not 20. 10,000 will be okay. 10,000. Even 5,000 naira safe.
And to go say he doesn't have?
Like I said before, his business is not moving well. He does not have.
It is a lie. As your child, Ugo does not have money. Ugo that I know. Let me tell you, Ugo has money. It's just that he doesn't want to give you.
It's not true.
Eh?
This one is not true. My Ugo does not have money. I know him very well.
Okay. Remember the last time you gave me advice and I took it? Now I want to give you advice and you better take it. You see that Ugo? He does not love you.
Huh?
Ugo does not deserve you. That is why he's doing akagom for you. Ugo said he does not have 5,000 or 10,000 to give you. Ikweta. Ugo that I saw giving woman money the other day does not have money to give you.
That woman, he told me about that woman. Oh. He said woman gave him money to give to that woman. Yes.
Ezioku. Chineke. Do you know that yesterday Ugo bought drinks for my husband? In fact, both of them drank to stupor, and Ugo paid. But he does not have money to give you to treat your own mother.
That's one. Maybe it's your husband that paid though. You never can tell.
Are you okay? Maybe my husband. Maybe. Okay, Ugo. Ugo does not have. Ugo is a church rat.
He does not have money. I know very well. If Ugo have money, he will give me.
I know. Sorry, oh. Well, sorry about your mother. Just be going. You might jam somebody that will give you money on the road. Then after the person finish giving you money, you go free.
How is your mother's health right now?
Mama is there. She's there. I'm even about going down to the junction. That came is at the junction to see if I will get drugs for her on credit.
Credit.
I don't have option again. I've tried my best.
I think I have some money. Use this one. Use it and buy the drugs. Just want to take good care of your mother. I don't want anything to happen to her.
7,000.
Just manage it.
Hey, yeah, also thank you so much. Thank you so much. May my chi bless you.
Bless you too. Amen.
See, I promise you, yeah, I'll pay you back as soon as possible.
No, that's not necessary. Just the only thing I need from you is for you to take good care of Mama and then yourself. Very important. Yeah?
Thank you, I will. You know what? Let me just go down and get the dress for her.
Okay, let's go together.
You want to follow me?
Yes, and so that if this money is not enough, I will acquire extra.
Hey!
Naibu is more drunk.
Chijoke, okay. This is why I love coming to your house.
Go tell him Maya. Yeah? You bought drink for me in my own house.
If you need something very important, you need to do something very important to get it. They say that if you want to trade on a path that is not used, that you are not used to, you go to someone that is used to the path so that you get tangible advice. That is why I'm here.
Okay. All I can tell you is that if you want to date Ogechi, go ahead and date Ogechi.
Oh, where? Okay, my one.
But make sure she's in love with you before you marry her. Because any man that gets married to a woman that is in love with someone else has made the biggest mistake of his life.
Okay. I understand that part. But the truth of the matter is that Etiego Maya Nana, Wemarana Ugo and Oge have nothing in common. As in, they are not into each other. There's no intimacy between them. They are just like master and slave relationship.
I understand, but I know what I'm saying. Yeah? Having anything to do with someone that is in love, a woman that is in love with another man. Oh, what called it? She will always be thinking of that man. Even when you're on top of her, she will be thinking of that the one she loves.
Hey. Hey. Ooh, Chijoke. Nka ye witten special. Nanga no na-egwuji. Instead of okay to be saying, no, so give it to me. She will not be saying, Ugo, give it to me. Hi, Obi Abuam. I will be highly heartbroken and Amandema.
Ugo, baby.
I don't want to have people.
Hada.
Listen, see, no. They are not doing anything. In fact, I am very sure. No, it's not possible. They are not dating.
I hope so, because the worst mistake you ever make is marrying a woman who is in love with another person. Who is in love with another man who does not love you. Even in that marriage, you see that person she loves will definitely come back, convince her, sleep with her under your nose. Before you will catch up with her, before you will not even know. You see, even in your matrimonial bed, why? See, that is the primary cause of DNA. Most of these children are saying DNA. How to him ever the guy? Yeah? DNA of the guy abroad their father.
You are trying to destabilize my love history. What are you trying to? Are you trying to encourage me or discourage me? I
am stating the obvious, the fact. Be very careful. You know what I am facing in my home. You know what I am facing. I wouldn't want you to face the same. Be very, very careful.
So your wife?
Be very, very careful.
I don't want to marry a woman that is in love with my best friend. I don't know what to do now. I really love Oge. and have always wished she is mine. Should I go ahead and look for a woman that loves me?
I've been here for some time now. I've been literally walking around your compound. I've not seen Mama.
Oh.
Hope she's okay now.
Mama is fine, no. She's okay. Just that the drugs that she's taking is making her to sleep a lot.
Yeah, she'll be fine. Come to think of it, okay, you're not a good friend. No, I told you you're not a nice person. How come your mother has been ill and you didn't even bother to tell me?
Norma, you will not understand. Everything happens so fast. But come to think of it, how did you know about it?
Well, Ugo told me.
Ugo? Okay. Where did you two meet each other?
Meet? He took me out.
No, now. It can't be possible. You go that I know very well. Don't take girls out. So how come he not took you out?
Well, let's just say I am a special kind of girl. Well, that's not just it. In the past few days, Ugo has been coming to my house, coming with presents, gifting me, professing his love for me, and he has been doing a lot of things. In fact, he even bought presents for my mother.
Norma, are we still talking about the same Ugo we know? I mean, my own Ugo.
What do you mean by your own Ugo? I thought you said both of you never dated and you guys are not dating. And that was why I accepted his proposal.
Yeah. Yeah, right. We are not dating. We never dated.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Well, Ugo has... See, you don't even know Ugo has money. He has money. He promised to take me to the city. Let me tell you a secret. You know you're my friend, so I can tell you anything. The reason I accepted his proposal is because he promised to take care of me and take me to the city. And he has money. He has been spending a lot.
Oh, you have already accepted him?
Yes, so. Since the first gift.
Hey, Ugo. And he promised to take you to the city?
Yes. Immediately we get married.
Married? Wait, you two are getting married?
Calm down. It just started. I'm still enjoying the moment. You know what? I think I like him. But because of what he has been given, that's why I like him.
You like him already? Ugo?
Ugo has been giving me a lot. He buys me. He bought me designer pair of sneakers. He buys I can't even keep naming. There are so many.
Hey.
Ugo has money. He said he's a rich man who has been disguising to be a poor man just for his safety. And they believe him because he has money to spend.
Ugo? Ugo Chugu?
Forget these men that act like they don't have money. Listen, a man will only pretend he does not have money when he is with a woman he doesn't like. But when he meets the one that triggers his fancy, the one he likes, the one he adores, their spending is limitless. Back to back spending, back to back giving. You know what? I'll get tired of him spending money. And I know Ugo's like me. He loves me. He loves me.
It's remaining 20 minutes. Yeah? 20 minutes to 1. Mayu!
How many times have I warned you? How many times have I warned you that anytime you bathe, you should use water to clear the foam from the wall and from the door? Just go inside. Go inside and see what you did there. Foam, ebenine, marceline, muzo. Even if you fought with us or dimba, eh?
What has come over you? Eh? No. Tell me, what is your problem? Why would you pour water on me? They're going to give me more for Squama you, Koba. Offer Squama 200,000 naira.
You came my court to go already. Don't worry. Million didn't do anything to it. I am asking you again. How many times have I warned you? What happened, Mary? This is just a reminder to let you know that it is water you will use. Well, what happened? Foam.
Be very, very careful with me. Be very, very... Don't try this nonsense next time. Do not try this nonsense next time. Let
this be the last time I will remind you to wash off foam from the wall and ceiling and door. Come on, ordinary foam. Try it again.
Let this be the last time you try this nonsense. I will I will strangle you. How? Oh, offers grandma you. Offers grandma you. Offers grandma.
Ogini. Ogini. Hey, Chim, why are you crying? What is it? How is your mother?
Mama is better now. She's fine.
Okay, so why are you crying?
Saba, take a good look at me. Am I not okay?
Are you okay?
Am I not beautiful enough? Don't I have what it takes to be someone's girlfriend? Don't I have good character? Is anything wrong with me? Why does he hate me so much? Why does he hate me with so much passion? Why?
Oh, it's all about Ugo. Eh? Okay. It's all about that fool. Listen. Ugo does not deserve your love. He does not deserve your tears.
I love him.
He does not deserve you.
I love him with everything in me. I love him so much. Can't he get it? Can't he just get it? My love will come into my life.
It's okay. It's okay. Ugo and my sister Norma deserve each other and not you. Yes. Okay. Don't worry. Eh? Hopefully, a better man will come into your life. A man that will appreciate your love. A man that will appreciate everything in you. Eh? Don't you know you're a princess?
Stop flattering me.
It's okay now.
Just make me feel better because I know you're lying. If I'm a princess, why is it that he doesn't love me?
But that is the truth. Eh? Now. That is why I'm here for you. Okay, I value you. I know your worth.
Please just go, don't make things worse for me. Just go, I don't want to.
But I'm being honest here. I love you so much, Oge. You are the love of my life. The love of my intestine. Every time I do think about you. Just that my money is still on the high sea. And so many delays. So many delays are just delaying its arrival. But don't worry, very soon I will hit. Yeah? I will cash out and I will take you not just around this village, but around Nigeria. I will take you places.
Leave me alone. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Your mates are taking their women around the world. And you're telling me they take me around the village. Not only around the village, but around Nigeria. Around country. Don't just go, just leave, please.
But that's where my pocket can take you to now. I'm only obeying the volume of my pocket. If my pocket says, oh yeah, take her around the world, I'll take her around the world. I'm just being honest. My pocket says, take you around Nigeria, take you to Amachala, take you to Obago, take you to Mpo. That is where I can take you, my love.
No, get out, John. Just leave here, please. I'm thinking of something that's very important. You're telling me that you take me around to the village. Get out of here.
Okay. Okay, let me
I'll
sing
punch
for
you.
Let me sing.
I'll punch you. I'll punch you now.
Punch me. Eh? You let this
Get
boy
out,
you
get
punch.
out,
Is
get
it that
out,
long
get
you
out, get
want
out,
to
get
punch?
out. Leave me alone, leave me alone. I'm
It's
ready for you.
Osgo. I brought some Odala and Opa and Ube. You will leak.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Ugo is busy buying your sister expensive things. Even your mother, are you telling me about Opa and Odala? Get out of here, son!
No, Ube.
Leave me!
Chimu. Oh, take.
Get out!
Okay.
Somebody, I'll punch you! I'm telling you, I'll punch you! I'll punch you! I'll punch you! Oh no! Oh no! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!